Today we will talk about how to calibrate this black handheld pH meter. For that we need this pH meter, two buffer solutions, one of 6.86 and another of 4.0, one empty Darcy tube and distilled water. So first of all, we will take this pH meter. We have this battery options. There are two battery cells in there. Switch on the button. Gently remove the probe. We will first dip in 6.86 and wait a minute. While you dip in 6.86, please ensure that your probe is fully immersed in this buffer solution. After waiting 1 minute, you will press cal for 3 seconds. .86 is calibrated now. Now we will remove the pH meter. Gently wash the probe. Wipe it with tissue paper. And again, dip in 4. Again ensure that your pH meter probe is fully immersed in 4.0 solution. Wait a minute. Now press cal for 3 seconds. Once you see there is a cal on the screen, it means your pH meter is calibrated. If your pH meter is not calibrated properly, it will show error. And if it's not showing error, then it means it's calibrated. Take out the probe. Again wash it with distilled water. Clean it. Now your pH meter is calibrated. Once you are done with pH calibration, now we will talk about how to measure pH of soil. We will take in an Darcy tube 30 ml of distilled water. Now we will take 15 gram of soil from this 5 gram of scoop. 1, 2, and 3. Gently put the cap and shake it for 2 minutes. Wait until your soil sediments at the bottom of the tube. Once your soil is sedimented at the bottom, you take out the calibrated pH meter, gently dip the probe in the soil, wait for 1 minute, wait until your reading is stable. You can see it's fluctuating in a particular range. If it's fluctuating in a particular range, you can note down the reading and now you got the pH of the soil. Now you gently take out the probe, wash it with distilled water, wipe it, turn it off. In the pH meter box, we have provided you a KCl solution. You will dip this KCl solution in this and dip it overnight, and now your pH meter is ready. If it's not calibrated for a longer period of time, you need to make sure that you need to recalibrate this. For battery, Here is the battery indicator. If the battery indicator is low, you need to open this from here, and here you can change the batteries of the pH meter. Do not put it directly in soil or do not put it in very harsh conditions. And make sure every time your pH is tested, you need to dip in KCl solution overnight. And this is how your pH meter is calibrated and ready to test the pH of soil and water.